What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to check if Google Chrome is up to date or how to update it if it's not. So basically, quick video here, but go to the top right on customizing control Google Chrome, click here, and then go and hover over help. So help will show you this option here about Google Chrome. So just click on it and then it'll give you the update right here. So basically I had a update install, or I had it download and install. So all I have to do is relaunch my browser and it'll be up to date. So this is where it checks and it lets you know what you need to do. So I'm going to click relaunch and now it brings me right back here and it'll say Chrome is up to date. So if I do that again, basically I go help, about Chrome, Chrome is up to date. So that's all it really is, guys. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.